As AI models grow larger, data movement becomes just as critical as computing power. In modern AI clusters, GPUs need to exchange massive amounts of data across servers, storage systems, and high-speed network fabrics. But when the network cannot keep up, even the fastest GPUs are forced to wait. That is why the network fabric matters. This is where the NVIDIA Q3200RA comes in. Let's get started. NVIDIA Q3200RA is a 2U XDR InfiniBand switch system designed for high-performance AI and HPC infrastructure. With 72 XDR ports over 36 OSFP cages, Q3200RA delivers up to 57.6 terabits per second of switching throughput. Next, we will demonstrate the Q3200RA's incredible connectivity through hands-on optical module tests. The first test is the switch-to-switch application. We've prepared two 1.6T OSFP DR8 optical modules. We insert these modules into the OSFP ports of two separate Q3200RA switches and link them using fiber patch cords. Look, the link is successfully established. The second test demonstrates the switch-to-NIC connection. We plug one 1.6T OSFP DR8 module into the Q3200RA switch. On the server side, we insert two 800G OSFP DR4 flat-top modules into two powerful NVIDIA ConnectX 800G NICs. After connecting them with a breakout fiber cable, the connection is instantly established. After successful connection, you can check the module information, DDM information through commands. That wraps up our unboxing and testing of the NVIDIA Q3200RA switch. With its Quantum 3 architecture, terrifying 57.6 TB/s throughput, and flexible 1.6T/800G interconnect solutions, it is undoubtedly the core of next-generation AI data centers. If you're interested in NVIDIA networking equipment or the optical modules shown today, visit our FiberMall website for more details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.